Hey friends, so private message me right here on Facebook if you want to come with me and let's do this together. So I went out to eat last night. It was a Friday night, today's Saturday, depending on when you're watching this. I had some greasy, grimy food that I thought sounded like a good idea at the moment, and then once the food arrived, I'm like, oh, this is greasy and grimy. I'll probably never get this again, but I'll eat it anyway, just this once. And then I had a couple of beers too. And the beers were lovely, don't get me wrong. But between that and the food and too much of the greasy, grimy food last night, I went to bed feeling my energy waned. Woke up this morning like, oh my God, I gotta purge myself of this and work out. So I did a workout. What should have taken me an hour took me a little bit over 2 hours to do, including one emergency stop to the bathroom where I had to pause the DVD. And then I came back and followed by several more on top of several more breaks because I started to get nauseated. And then the trip to the bathroom and all these other things. So what should have been an hour-long workout took over 2 hours. That's pathetic, especially for me. So, even at the end, 2 minutes to go, I tried to push myself through without taking any more breaks. No such luck. I had to take one last break. And even still, I was like, I could barely do it. So, drawing a line in the sand now. I'm going to be eating clean for at least the next 90 days, working out every day for the next 90 days, and I want you to do it with me. So we'll cheer each other on, we'll hold each other accountable, we'll give each other whatever support that we need, but let's draw a line in the sand. I'll be in the trenches with you. Let's do a program. You don't have to do the same one I'm doing, or I don't have to do the one that you're doing, but something. And a superfood shake. I'm going to be drinking a superfood shake every day, and doing a workout every day, not guesswork on my own and trying to figure it out. So the invitation that I'm making for all of you out there is to do this with me, to go along a journey where it's all spelled out for us, where we just have to show up and do something that's already tried and proven we know is going to work. And we'll cheer each other on along the way, and we'll celebrate together as we achieve victories. And then everything gets easier. Day-to-day life gets easier. So I've already purchased my stuff, my program, my superfood shake. It's somewhere between $140 and $200 depending on what you want to get. Mine was upwards of the 200. So private message me and let's get started. And guess what? Given the timing of this, I mean, there's several months to go until summer. We've even got time until spring starts. So wouldn't it be great to be feeling better and stronger and look better too, for that matter, before summer rolls around and somewhere in the middle of spring? It's pretty early on. Let's get a jump start on all the laggards that are going to wait the last minute, and those people probably won't see it through anyway. So let's get a jump start on it. Private message me and let's be each other's cheerleader. I'll be your male cheerleader. I'll even put on a cheerleading skirt and pom-poms if it helps. I mean, why not? So private message me, and I'm looking forward to doing this with you guys that want to really do this with me, okay? So bye for now, and I look forward to hearing from you guys real soon. And my website, as always, tombirkenmeyer.com. But private message me so we can get going on this. I already got started today, but I'll keep going for you guys. So no waiting around, okay? No dilly-dally, no thinking about it, no procrastination. It's time to get going. Bye for now. Mwah. And please share this. Let's get a big old group of people